When it comes to software development, we all talk the same language, the language of design systems. Y Technologies recently launched Rago Design System, a powerful tool built on React that leverages the latest in web development technologies, streamlining creation of user interfaces. Rago is not just any other design system, but an integration of latest technologies such as React, Vite, TypeScript, Million, Bootstrap 5, and Storybook, offering a robust platform for developing customizable application shells, layouts, elements, and components. Hi, I'm Kaushik Gokhale, a senior software developer at Y Technologies. Our design system boasts of comprehensive collection of elements, maps, and chart widgets. We start with application shell forming a foundational layer, followed by layouts for page structures, elements such as colors, typographics, micro integrations, and components forming building blocks and providing specific functionalities. In this series, we'll be walking through how to build pages from scratch using application shells, details, components, and layouts for crafting stunning web applications. Whether you're looking to create pages 3 times faster or elevate aesthetics and functionalities of your existing application, Rago Design System is the go-to resource. So stay tuned. Enhance your development workflow with 3 times acceleration with Rago Design System. Happy coding!